Welcome to Shining Toddlers. Today we are going to learn og sound words. O G makes og. Og sound words. Og log. Now let's make a sentence with log. We sat on a log. Og fog. Now let's make a sentence with fog. The fog is thick. Og jog. Now let's make a sentence with jog. Let's jog to the shop. Og dog. Now let's make a sentence with dog. We have a dog. Og hog. Now let's make a sentence with hog. A hog can be a pet. In this slide, I have taken a 4-letter word. Let's see. Here, FR makes the sound fr. So, og, frog. Now, let's make a sentence with frog. The frogs are in the pond. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.